So we're here with Brian in front of the new Family Hub unit. Now this is what, a standard depth unit?
Correct. This is a standard depth unit, correct. This is our brand new AI Family Hub with that beautiful 32-inch diagonal display. But before we jump into the display, I'd like to talk about one of my very favorite features here. So this has what's called AI Vision inside. So think of you having your onboard food management system. So for instance, I'm coming home from doing my grocery shopping, and as you can see, it has that auto open door there.
Wow.
And let's say I'm gonna take out, a lime. I'm gonna take out maybe a lemon. So we're gonna check here. It's gonna do an inventory for us here. And as you can see, notice that I removed that lemon and lime there. So I'm gonna actually place these items back into the fridge to actually add it back to our inventory. So if you just listen for that audible sound there, that is the camera recognizing the food as it goes in. So once I close that door, it's gonna say, hey, I just noticed you added these 2 items to your fridge.
I hope I can turn that off, because I got to tell you, I'm a late night snacker. I don't want anybody knowing me going in and out of the fridge. So
Yes.
I just need to make sure that can be turned off.
Absolutely, it can be,
Okay.
yes. And taking it a step further, what I really, really like about this particular fridge, I'm not the best cook, so having this fridge will actually put expiration dates on items that you place inside, and even recommend recipes based on what you have inside your fridge. So I'm gonna do the banana, and I'm just gonna do, let's say, a tomato. And we're gonna search for recipes. I'm gonna let the fridge do the work for me. And it's gonna generate probably 10,000 recipes just on what's inside the fridge. So there you have it.
Wow, look at that. Now, if I'm grocery shopping, right,
Yep.
and I forget if I have a tomato inside,
Yes.
am I going to be able to go to my Samsung app and say, okay, what's my inventory inside?
Absolutely. So via SmartThings, you'll have that capability, but the fridge itself does a food management by itself. So it creates that shopping list for you as you use the unit.
AI at its finest. Now tell us about what's going on in
Sure.
the freezer compartment.
So this is a flex zone. So it has 5 different temperature settings. So giving that consumer the ability to have that beverage center or that freezer if they like.
Wow.
And lastly, before we exit this one, I'd like to say these panels are customizable. So for those customers that like to change the decor for each season, we offer that with the Bespoke panels.
And then what's the big thing on the left side here? I'm sure we have an ice maker.
Sure, yes. Ice is housed here at the very bottom, and we do have those ice bites and ice cubes that would form here.
So 2 different types of ice.
Yes.
Samsung just making life a lot easier.
A lot
Love it.
easier.
Great. Thank you, Brian, for showing us
Absolutely.
this new unit.